I had one venture capitalist who, as I was describing what we're doing, stops me. He's like, are you talking about starting a computer company? It's like, yeah, that's exactly what we're doing. He's like, no, it is irresponsible to your family for you to start a computer company.
Wow.
You're like, okay, whoa, okay, dude, let me worry about the fam, okay? Like, I think maybe we can dial that down. But he kind of went on this extensive like soliloquy, and I mean, this guy's like a bit of a, just bluntly, like a dick. But then he was like, look, you are never going to get this funded. And I'm like, okay. And, I will acknowledge, like, you understand technology. You don't understand venture capital. I understand venture capital. No one's even going to look at this. And I'm like, okay, well, actually, like, firms are looking at this. He's like, not prestigious firms. I'm like, actually, like, very prestigious firms. I'm like, and in particular, like, I name dropped, and he name dropped a bunch of names that would never look at this. And I'm like, I'm talking to most of those people. In fact, I've got a meeting with one of those that you just named. We've had 3 different meetings about this. He's super interested. And this guy was like, okay, you should know that my child goes to preschool with his child. I see him several times a week.
Oh, wow.
And I'm like, are you accusing me of lying to you? Like, he's like, I will ask him about this. I'm like, you should fucking ask him about it. Like, call him right now. I mean, are you just like, are you? And it was funny. It's like, if somehow it like took that to break through to them, he's like, he's looking at this. And I'm like, yeah, he's looking at this. He's really serious about it. He's like, oh. Okay, well, I'm a small fund. I would love to participate, but I'm like, are you joking? Are you a parody of yourself? Like, are you kidding me? It's like 20 minutes ago, what I was doing was irresponsible to my family. 10 minutes ago, I was a liar, and you were gonna like fact check me at the preschool drop-off. And now you want me to accommodate you, and you're a small fund, and you want to. I mean, it's like, oh my God, I'm actually living HBO Silicon Valley. Like, I'm in it. Like, I'm just like, you people are an absolute parody of yourselves.